Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another awesome weight loss video for you today. Now I'm going to show you how to lose up to 30 pounds in 15 days with these wonderful, powerful weight loss ingredients. So these are ingredients that you've seen before in my prior videos, and I'm showing you different variations of things that you can actually use to get the same results, okay? So what we're going to need today is a full-size blender. Now I'm going to show you some of the things that we're going to be working with. Right? We're going to be working with at least 3 inches, and it doesn't seem like 3, but it's like 2 to 3 inches of our ginger root. Also 1/2 lemon. A full cucumber. This is about a medium-sized cucumber. And I would say about a cup of juice. So I'll probably get a full cup of juice from our cucumber. Next, I'm going to be using my favorite, and this adds to the taste and flavor, and it's the coconut water. This is also great for hydration. And lastly, our blueberry juice. Now this is 100% blueberry juice. You can also use the frozen or fresh blueberries, and that would be about a cup. So let's start. Now like I said, you're going to need your full-size blender. To start off, I'm going to just slice up so it can get through the papillas fine. Okay. And my ginger is looking a little bit worn out, so I want to use it before it gets that bad. Okay, now next we're going to be using 1 cup of coconut water. Put that in your blender. As well as 1 cup of blueberries. Now if you got the blueberries, that's fine. If you got the juice, it would still be 1 cup. Add that to your blender. Okay, next we're going to be adding in our lemons. We're not going to juice it. We're going to peel the skin right off of it. And like I said before, the lemon peels, I would not throw those away because there's so many things that you can do with that. And we're going to remove the seeds. Now if you put the seeds in there, it's okay. It's not going to hurt you. It's just going to make it a lot more tart. Alright, so all the seeds are removed. Now lastly is the cucumber. Now this is not an organic cucumber, so you already know what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the skin right off of it. If it's organic, you just wash it and chop it up. Since this one isn't and it has that waxy film on it, we got to get rid of that. Okay. And then we're just going to chop this into pieces. Alright, so now what we're going to do is just blend this up. Our drink is finished. What you're going to do is put that inside of your cup. This is refreshing, powerful, and delicious. and this is going to help you to shed 30 pounds in 15 days. All you got to do is drink this in the morning on an empty stomach. Have it as a breakfast smoothie. Then have an AM healthy snack. And then eat healthy throughout the day. Now, I mean light, healthy, clean eating. Do not eat anything greasy. Do not eat anything fattening, but clean, healthy eating. And you will see that weight shedding. You will see your body slimming down. All right? All right, you guys. So thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Thumbs up this video if you want to see more like this. Also check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care, skincare videos, fashion hauls, and more. All right? And also check down below for the links for my eBay store, which is now open, where you will also be able to purchase some of these wonderful items like the black seed oil and other healthy things, as well as shoes, clothes, and more. Okay, so check down below for those links, as well as the full-size blenders, the personal size blenders, and these wonderful reusable metal straws. All right, they're great for your teeth, especially when we're drinking these acidic drinks, and it's safe for the environment. All right, so thank you again, you guys, and don't forget your big sis and auntie loves you. And until the next video, I will see you then. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs. Okay, so check it out. Go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.